I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit brought to you by Bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop for living on a Bitcoin standard. Sign up and grab gift cards for eSIMs, gaming, e-commerce, your travel needs, food, and much more, and you can buy them all with Bitcoin and Lightning. Sign up today and use code BTC Sessions 10 for some special perks.
I'm bullish because of Bitcoiners. And I'm going to explain why. So as you were mentioning in the beginning, how I'm the most dangerous woman in Bitcoin Twitter. A couple weeks ago, for those people who don't know, I tweeted out a mere fact and people lost their minds. Got a ton of death threats and, wonderful messages. I mean, I'm not special. It happens all the time. But it got like pretty bad. People were like calling for people to dox my location, reporting me to the FBI. This guy was like, this woman is so dangerous. She might be the next mass shooter, and was like posting my picture everywhere. And so I had to get off of Twitter for like a couple days. But the reason why I'm bullish on Bitcoiners is because I saw so much support that I literally would have never thought I would have ever seen. Like, Ben, you called out that freak for what he said. And literally from people on the internet who I've never even met before. Like, and especially when the woke mob like comes after people, most people like just want to stay far away from that, because then they'll go and attack you also. But like, the amount of love and support I got from Bitcoiners was like unbelievable. And it really, really touched my heart, because I was like, wow, this is actually like such a wonderful community. Because before I got on Twitter, I was like, I'm alone in this world. Like, no one thinks like I do. No one cares about freedom. Like, this is bullshit. And here I have lifelong friends from the internet. And I think it's just an absolutely amazing thing. So I'm bullish on Bitcoiners.